Hey everybody, just wanted to do a quick walk around of the 1969 MTD Trail Flite mini bike. So you can see I got a custom muffler on here, and that's a 212cc Predator Hemi, 8 horse Briggs & Stratton muffler end with the 8 horse Briggs & Stratton gas tank. I got a Yamaha Badger headlight on there. And then you can see I have a pit bike carburetor manifold that I had cut in half and bored the hose out, and I made a custom intake. So it turned out pretty nice. Let me know what you guys think in the comments below. And in the next video I'll take this thing for a ride.